Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasmi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilom ki khubor bam dagasngi. U Konrad ke sangma menteri rangba aka jela ulalit jengo eka senong sentung blok mau kenro banyakran pheliu ber ki pait ba nong song senong daga ba pen scam ya ke jengkular jong ka sarkar ban gentiu ya ki pait ba. U menteri rangba ha ke jeng yakran ber ki pait ba sentung kta halor ki phang kum ke jengkala ka rep karyang ke jeng pen kop bori ki samla ki kenhun yarap yala di ber ki skim jeng yarap jong ka sarkar ki belashna ban gentiu ya ke jeng imnong kendong. Hagabau menteri rangba la pediang don burom de kinong yalam ber kinong song jong kathan ka sentung ka badan om dunai ka sispa san teli ki long yeng na ki sispa anrup san teli ki long yeng baro bat menteri rangba ulalit ban pet ye ki wa dut wa rashi ka kenhun tem jong kathan ka la pediang sobha ye u menteri rangba ula rai ringkat ba ka kenhun tem jong kathan bat ula kular ban ai samnak tingka ban penpha ye ki tiar bar kiwi ki tiar jong ki ulai kenduk ru bar kinong song ban yakran ni kilat kilenti ban kentiu ya ka kam jengok kai perthei ban tei ya ki jengtei kum ka jaka ai jengtim ya kinong jengok kai perthei ki jaka shet jengshen bar ki jaka sat jan jong ki pat ba ki jaka bam ki badon ka jengpen ya ki wa bat kum ki we ki jengdon kam ki ban yarap ya ka roi ka par ka banne.
Will just see. Okay. We'll just see. So just somebody can just help me translate. So now I'm part of the band. Tell them I'm part of the band. Tell them. Yeah, I'm part of the band now. Yes. So I will be giving them 5 lakhs to buy equipment, music equipment. But since you are part of I'm part of the band now. So this is my band. So I'm giving 5 lakhs to buy equipment, music equipment. Okay? Good. So I need the name of the band. So just Alex. Yeah. Just. But I think the video